Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a Ford Transit wing mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and trim removal tools. Make sure you have the exact replacement mirror for your specific Ford Transit model. Before starting any work, always disconnect the vehicle's battery to avoid any potential electrical problems during the installation process. This crucial step ensures your safety and protects the vehicle's electrical system. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the interior trim panel that covers the base of the old mirror. Use your trim removal tools to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the trim is off, locate and disconnect all electrical connectors leading to the mirror. Finally, unscrew the mounting bolts or nuts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Keep these fasteners safe as you might need them. Now, take your new wing mirror and carefully position it onto the door frame. Secure it firmly using the mounting bolts or nuts you removed earlier. Ensure it sits flush and is properly aligned. Reconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses to the new mirror, making sure each connection is snug. Before replacing any trim, it's a good idea to test the mirror's electronic functions. For the final steps, carefully reinstall the interior trim panel, ensuring it clicks securely into place around the mirror's base. Reconnect your vehicle's battery. Now, adjust the mirror to your preferred viewing angle and test all its electronic functions, including any heating elements or indicator lights. Confirm everything operates correctly for a safe and complete installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.